Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? Many people believe passive income is only for the rich, but that's not true. With strategy, patience, and knowledge, anyone can build multiple income streams. Stay until the end, and I'll show you exactly how. Passive income means earning money with little daily effort. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long-term strategy. The key is building assets that generate income over time. Today, we'll cover 7 proven ways to create passive income and achieve financial freedom. The first method is dividend investing. By buying stocks of solid companies, you can receive regular payouts. Many investors earn thousands monthly from dividends alone. Start small, reinvest your earnings, and over time, your portfolio will grow significantly. Next, we have real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These allow you to invest in properties without owning physical buildings. They pay monthly or quarterly income, making them a great option for those who want real estate earnings with lower costs. Royalties from books, music, and courses can be another income stream. Create something valuable once, and it can pay you for years. Many authors and online educators generate thousands annually from digital products without additional effort. Affiliate marketing is another powerful method. By promoting products online, you can earn commissions for each sale. Many people use blogs or social media to make thousands per month just by sharing useful products they love. Renting properties or using Airbnb can generate significant passive income. Even if you own just one apartment, you can turn it into a rental business. Many investors make steady profits by offering short-term stays in high-demand areas. Starting an automated online business can also be a game changer. Dropshipping, print-on-demand, or subscription models allow you to sell products without handling inventory. Once set up, these businesses can generate income on autopilot. Investing in cryptocurrency and staking is a growing opportunity. By holding certain crypto assets, you can earn rewards similar to interest. While it carries risk, proper research can lead to significant long-term gains. One of the biggest mistakes is relying on only one income source. Diversification is key. Smart investors build multiple streams, ensuring stability even during economic downturns. The more sources you have, the stronger your financial future. Avoid the trap of seeking overnight success. Passive income requires time and consistency. Many people fail because they expect immediate results. Those who stay patient and reinvest their earnings see the biggest rewards in the long run. Now that you know these 7 strategies, it's time to take action. Choose one method, start small, and build from there. Your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and let's achieve financial freedom together.